Good morning, everyone. Namaskar. Nice to see you, everyone. Namaskar. Good morning, Bhaswar. Rishi. Good morning, everyone. Rudra. Good morning, bacha. Nice to see you. I am fine. I am fine. Thank you, beta. How are you all? I'm fine, beta. Fine. Thank you, everyone. Did you enjoy Sunday? Did you enjoy Sunday? Yes. Very good. Okay. Okay, everyone. Okay, let us start our today's session. Bye. Pray to God, everyone. So, for the prayer, now which sloka we have to learn? Yes? Very good. So, first you have to do like this. Your palm like this. Very good. Very good, everyone. Very good. Let us start. Karagre vasite Lakshmi Karmadhye Saraswati Karmule tu Govindam Prabhate Karadarshanam Karagre vasite Lakshmi Karmadhye Saraswati Karmule tu Govindam Prabhate Karadarshanam. Okay, everyone, open your eyes. So, what is the meaning of this sloka? Yes, हमारे कराग्रे मतलब हमारी उंगलियों में हम माता लक्ष्मी जी का दर्शन करते हैं और हमारे बीच ए पाम वाला पोर्शन इसमें माता सरस्वती जी का दर्शन करते हैं और हमारा ए कर मूल राइट यानी जो एंड ए लास्ट वाला पार्ट होता है कर का उसमें भगवान गोविंदम यानी कृष्ण राइट माधव कृष्ण कन्हैया फिर माखन चोर एंड रणछोड़ राय त्रिकम राय राइट तो कृष्ण के नाम से और हम उसका दर्शन करेंगे सुबह हम हमारा सारा कार्य प्रारंभ करेंगे ओके एवरीवन सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर सेशन फर्स्ट आई विल टेक योर अटेंडेंस आरव दर्शन लिया आरवी संघवी दक्ष तुलसियानी ध्यान अद्रोजा धी हार्द पटेल हीर हितांश कालावाड़िया हितार्थ पटेल हिया हीरानी श्रियान देत्रोजा खनक अमृतिया क्रीना मारवनिया दीता व्यास हु इज क्रीना मारवनिया Krina, ma'am, please write down your kid's name there. Dita Vyas, Mystery Khakar, Mox Parmar, Naksh Togadia, Nirva Loria, Nivan Parmar, Niyam Daftari, Niyati Pancholi, Param, Paridhi, Parshva Mehta, Rishi Detroja, Rudra, Sanvi Mirani, Taksh Kakad, Vivan Kanabar, यशविबा एंजयन नाथानी हार्द पटेल ओके एवरीवन एनीवन रिमेनिंग फॉर द अटेंडेंस एनीवन रिमेनिंग फॉर द अटेंडेंस यस और नो Okay, I'll take attendance of Hiya and Jimmy. Thank you, ma'am. Rishi, Yes, I'll the took attendance of heart. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Hitkar. Okay, everyone. So let us start our session. Yes, with small activity. And what did we learn in the last session? What did we learn in the last session? Yes, jumble number name of from the 1 to 30 name. Very good, Nurse Togadia, very good. Very good, everyone. We have to learn in our previous video 1 to 30 number name of the jumble. Jumble number name we have to written in our notebook. Okay, everyone. So, today we have to start. First, I'll just show something. Okay. And then you let me know which topic we have to going to learn today. Okay, everyone? Okay. See everyone. You can see here this diary, lunch box, three cutouts on the paper, right? 3 circle, and then this bottle lid, this box, duster, this bowl. This is one type of lid, and yeah. This rectangle shape, square shape, again rectangle, right? Circle, oval, triangle, and square. Okay, square. So you can see here, yeah, this is a square. This one is a rectangle, square, triangle, square, circle, rectangle, square, circle, and 3 piece of the cutting paper, yes, with circle shape. Okay, everyone, please let me know which topic we have to going to learn today. Let me know, kids. Okay. Shapes, very good. Very good, everyone. So let's first sort out all the things according to their shape. Okay, everyone. So which topic we have to going to learn today? Shapes. Very good, everyone, for your correct answer. And very good for the guess it all the things. Okay, which topic we have to going to learn today? Yes, different shapes. Right? Here I put on this table different type of shapes. Okay? So we have to learn today shapes. Today our topic shapes. So let's first arrange. Let's going to separate all the things. Okay, everyone. Please, Khanna, turn off your camera, beta. Okay. So first, let's separate all the shapes according to their shape. So first, I'll put it here. Triangle, triangle. Then rectangle. Then rectangle. Then square, square, and then after circle, after circle. Okay, everyone? Okay, let's sort out according to the shape. Let's sort out all the things according to shapes. Okay, Here I put instead of oval, circle, circle. Okay, everyone? Okay, so let's first identify all the things. Okay, this one is this object we consider in which shape? Which shape this object we consider? Yes, very good, circle. So we have to put it here. Yes, line in the circle shape, right? This one is square, square. Let's arrange. Very good, very good. After that, this one is, yes, rectangle, rectangle. Let's put it here. Again, yes. Circle, circle. So let's put it here, this object, yes. This one is, yes, very good. Square, square. This one is, yes, rectangle, rectangle. This one is again circle. Again this object we have to put it in the rectangle. This one is, this three, yes, circle we have to put, yes, on the circle, circle. And again this one is, this flashcard we have to consider in a square shape, square shape. And these both are we have to consider in, yes, very good, rectangle, rectangle. Okay, now we want one more shape. We want one more shape. Yes, which one is the remaining? Which one is the remaining? Yes, very good. Yes, triangle, triangle. So we have to put it here, triangle shape in the triangle line. So first, let's see all the shapes. Okay, this one is a circle, this one is a circle, but circle is round and round, round and round. Circle has no corner, no side, round and round. You can see all the things in, which shape? Circle shape, circle shape. This one is triangle, this one is triangle, triangle. Triangle has three sides and three corners. 1, 2, 3 corners and 3 sides. Okay? This is rectangle. Rectangle has, yes, 4 corners and 4 sides. 4 corners and 4 sides. And 2 sides similar but opposite. Okay? And then that one is, this one is also rectangle. And this one is, yes, square. And square has, yes, 4 sides and 4 corners. 4 sides and 4 corners. 4 corners. And 4 are similar. Square shape has 4 corners, 4 sides, but all are similar. Okay, everyone? Okay? So, this is, we do activity with different shapes, with different things. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt this different type of things with shapes? Any doubt all? No. So let's start our today's class work. Okay everyone, thank you. So here I put again, I'll show you all the things. Sorry. Again this one is a circle object, this one is a triangle, this one is a rectangle, and this one is square. Okay everyone. So let us start our today's class work. Take out everyone math textbook. So this is your math textbook. Okay. Page number 25. Take out page number 25. Okay everyone? Done? Okay. First on the top we have to mention what? CW. After that today's day, date, and yes, very good. Which date is today? Yesterday was 11th. After 11 which number will come? Yes, very good, 12. So 12th of July 2021. In which day is today? Monday. Okay everyone. So today we are going to learn shapes. Okay. So today's class we have to do one activity, like you have to see first all the shapes with the shapes name. Let's first read CIRCLE, circle, and this one is TRIANGLE, triangle. You can see here this is a triangle shape, and again I will tell you, triangle has a 3 corner and 3 sides. Can anyone tell me two things, two objects with triangle shape? 2 objects with triangle shape and 2 objects with a circle shape. Fast. Yes, very good. Moon, samosa, yes, very good. Plate, pizza, very good. Coin, wow, very good. I'll get so many objects. Yes, pizza slice, yes, samosa, coin, very good. Nachos, wow, yes, very good. And can you see at your home? और दूसरे के घर पर भी हम जाए तो हम देखते हैं वॉच भी सर्कल होती है, हमारा लंच बॉक्स भी कभी कभार होता है, वाटर बॉटल लीड होता है सर्कल शेप, मम्मी की रोटी गोल गोल, पापा के पैसे गोल गोल, दादी के चश्मे दादा के चश्मे गोल गोल, दादी की बिंदी गोल गोल, हम भी गोल तुम भी गोल, सारी दुनिया गोल मचोल। तो ये राइम में कितने सारे ऑब्जेक्ट आए? यस, वेरी गुड। spectacles, roti, bindi, दादा के चश्मे, right? मम्मी की रोटी, सारी चीजें we have to consider in a circle shape. And pizza slice and the triangle shapes, mountain, right? Mountain, pyramid, these all things are we have to consider in a triangle shape. These all things are we have to consider in a triangle shape. Okay? Let's see next. Let's see next. Okay. So here is this shape is a circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle, and this one is yes, triangle, this one is a square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Okay everyone, and square has four sides and four corners. Four side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 corners. And this is rectangle. Rectangle has four sides and four corners. Okay. So here we paste sticker. And it is given at the last page in your textbook. You can see here kids, in the last page already mentioned page number, yes, on the circle, triangle and square. So first we have to take out this shape slowly. And paste it here. Okay, this is a place of circle. So we have to put it here. After that, which shape is this? Triangle. Okay, so let's take out. This triangle shape from here and paste it our classwork page. We have to paste triangle on this place. After that, which shape is this? Yes, square. So let's find the shape of this square. Yes, at the last, yes, in the book, and take out slowly sticker of the square and stick it here on this place. Okay, at the last one is rectangle. So let's take out the shape of the rectangle. And this activity do by own self, without help of the parent, without help your elders, because अब तो आप सारी एक्टिविटी अपने आप करने लगे हो, right? It is very simple for you. And then paste it. Okay. So this is the shape of the circle. This one is a triangle. This one is a square, and this one is a rectangle. Okay, everyone. So this is your today's class work. Take out the sticker, yes, from the last page in your textbook and paste it here. Yes, a circle. Here is triangle. Here is a square, and here is a rectangle. And in your homework. Page number 31. Color the shapes. Which date is today? Yes. Color the shapes in the picture as per the given color code. Okay, everyone. So this is your homework. So what did we in classwork? Yes, very good. Next chess cube, square shapes, yes, writing page, mobile, laptop, remote, rectangle shapes. Yes, these all are things, these all are objects we have to consider in the rectangle shape. Okay, everyone. So please show me your classwork. Everyone. Thank you, Harke parents. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for appreciating me every time. Thank you. Parshva Mehta, very good, bacha. Very good. Yes, Parshva, very good, beta. Jay, very good, bacha. Jay, show me your classwork, beta. Done? Okay, Miss Tikakar, but you can show me your classwork, beta. It's okay. I know you all are clever student, good girl and good boy, but ma'am want to see your classwork. How is it? How do you by own self? Yes, very good. ध्येय भैया क्या खा रहे हो आप? क्या च्यू कर रहे हो? हेलो ध्येय. Okay, everyone. Done. Thank you, everyone. Yes, Paridhi. Ma'am, आपका कैमरा नहीं ऑन है, तो how can I show your classwork? Yes, Niyam Daftari, good. Okay, everyone. Okay, ma'am. So we will meet in our next session. You have to do homework properly according to instruction. Color the shapes in the picture as per the given color. Okay, everyone. Yes, ma'am, but I can't see classwork for of the Misty. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, everyone. We will meet tomorrow again. Till then, stay home, stay happy. Namaskar. Happy Asadi Beach, everyone. Bye. Happy Asadi Beach. Okay, thank you. Namaskar. Oh.